Let's see how to get the member force EF using the section method. The first thing we do is to get the reaction forces at D and G. Since we don't have any horizontal forces acting on the truss, summation of Fx will be 0 and Dx will also be 0. For the vertical forces, since we have 10 kN, 20 kN and 10 kN acting downward, so we'll have dy plus gy minus 10 kN minus 20 kN minus 10 kN is equals to 0, which when we sum it up, it's going to be 40 kN. But since the truss and the loads are symmetrical, the vertical reaction at D and G are equal. Hence, dy is equals to gy, which will be 40 divided by 2, which will be 20 kN at each reaction, that is the vertical reaction at D and G. Now let's create a cut that have to pass through member EF, and we have two free body diagram. From the first body diagram, we know that the reaction at its support are dx, which is horizontal, and dy, the vertical reaction, since it is a pin support, but dx is 0 since no horizontal force acting on the truss, and dy is gotten as 20 kN, and the applied load at point A is 10 kN. And the forces in the cut members AB, EB, and EF are assumed to act either in tension or compression. Take the summation of moment about point B is equal to 0, since the line of action of AB and EB pass through B, their moment is 0, and EF act with a lever arm distance of 4 meters, producing a clockwise moment. So from the free body diagram 1, dy, which is 20 kN, acting vertically upward at a horizontal distance of 9 meters from B. At node A, we have a vertical force acting downward at a horizontal distance of 6 meters from B. Hence, our moment equation will be the product of EF multiplied by the lever arm distance 4 meters minus the reaction force dy, which is 20 kN, multiplied by the horizontal distance from B, which is 9 meters, plus downward force acting at node A, which is 10 kN, multiplied by 6 meters, which is the distance from B. And when you sum everything up, your result will be the force in member EF is equals to 30 kN, which is in tension. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ask questions and suggest for the next videos that we can be able to do.